drones will even the odds against the spiders.
You rely on a machine to fight your battles.
We'll see how you do.
I will ground you and make you suffer.
It's Spider-Man! More of you! But I'm only one spider!
Powering up the drone. If you can tether your web from the charging station to a power supply, you'll overcharge them into oblivion.
Don't you all have something better to do? Here comes the peanut gallery!
Watch his web!
Think you can dig up some more info on the incoming Kravenovs now?
There we are. Hello?
This will be good for you, Ladrochi. Father, please, end this now. The others won't speak to me. You just come home. There's still time for us to be family again. I will not die like any other men. What? Oh, I don't feel safe here anymore. I don't trust the others. They frighten me. Then cower and hide. If you can endure this shame. You won't let them cut me. Will you? Father? That is up to you.
Well, that was just sad. Feels ripe for a therapy session.
No thanks, I'm all booked up. I feel for him, but he's still Kraven's kid. dangerous. Gotta clear out the last base so we're ready for this family shindig.
The hunters are gone and the drones are grounded. We're pretty good at this.